Hello students, in this lecture we are going to see a few important topics. That is, the first one is a functional group. Okay, so what is the functional group? Is that very simple? It has a very simple definition that it is defined as an atom or a group of atoms joined in a specific manner and which is responsible for the characteristic chemical properties of the organic compounds. Okay, so that means the functional group is nothing but whether it is a atom or a group of atom, okay, and which is responsible for the characteristic chemical properties of organic compounds. Okay, the best examples are OH group, hydroxyl group, aldehyde groups, carboxylate groups, okay, carboxylic acid groups. Okay, so that means a single group, these OH groups, alcohols, these are alcohols. The reactivity is different. The chemical properties are different, the alcohols. Okay, when you come to the CHO aldehydes, again it shows the different chemical properties. And carboxylic acid, again COOH, it has a different uh, chemical property. That means these carboxylic acid react with the bases, right? Okay, form the salts, but these hydroxyl groups, no, they cannot react with the bases. Okay, so like this, the functional group is nothing but a group or a group of atom which is responsible for the characteristic chemical properties of that organic compound. Okay, and the next one more important, that is the homologous series. Okay, so before going to the what is the homologous series, we should know that who will form the homologous series is that a group or a series of organic compounds each containing a characteristic functional group forms a homologous series. So that means homologous series form అవ్వాలంటే that should have a characteristic functional group ఉండాలి అన్నమాట. ఓకే, అండ్ మరి దాంట్లో ఉండే మెంబర్స్ని ఏమంటారు? వి కాల్ ద మెంబర్స్. ఒక గ్రూప్ కదా మరి, ఇన్ దట్ గ్రూప్ ఇన్ ఏ సిరీస్ దేర్ షుడ్ బి సమ్ ఇండివిజువల్స్. ఓకే, సో ఆ ఇండివిజువల్స్ని ఏమంటారంటే ద మెంబర్స్ ఆఫ్ ద సిరీస్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ హోమోలోగస్ అంటే ఇండివిజువల్ మెంబర్ అనమాట. ఇఫ్ దెర్ ఈస్ ఎ గ్రూప్, ఇన్ దట్ గ్రూప్ ఇండివిజువల్ పర్సన్ యూ కాల్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఎ హోమోలోగస్ and overall group you call it as a homologous series. Okay, so mari how you can find out that homologous series is that in the homologous series two adjacent or successive members of the group differ by CH2 group or CH2 unit. Okay, ఎలా ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తామంటే వెరీ సింపుల్, టూ అడ్జసెంట్ పర్సన్స్కి లేదా టూ అడ్జసెంట్ మాలిక్యూల్స్కి లేదంటే టూ సక్సెసివ్ మాలిక్యూల్స్కి మధ్య డిఫరెన్స్ అనేది ఎంత ఉండాలి? ఒక CH2 గ్రూప్ అయి ఉండాలి అన్నమాట. ఓకే, వన్ CH2 గ్రూప్. ఓకే, సో లుక్ ఎట్ హియర్ వన్ alkane homologous series. This is the alkene homologous series. Okay, so alkane first is the methane, next one is a CH3 CH2. So what is the difference between these two? Here is a CH4, here is the C2H6. Okay, difference is only CH2. Okay, and the next again CH3 CH2 CH3. So what is the difference? This CH2, and again CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3. So again, what is the difference between the successive or two adjacent? How much difference? Only one CH2. Okay, so like this you can write up to 100, 200 or 300 also. Okay, no problem. But the overall series, this is a homologous series, and the each member you call it as a homologous. Each member you can call it as a homologous. Okay, similarly here is also same thing, alkene. So alkene can represent with the two carbon atoms. Okay, single carbon తో మనం alkene రిప్రజెంట్ చేయగలుగుతామా? No. So we will only start with the two carbons. So two carbons తర్వాత when you write one more carbon, here it is a 2 carbons, and here is the 3 carbons, and here it is a 4 carbons, and here it is a 5 carbon. And what is the difference between these? Successive. CH3 CH double bond CH2. That means the excess is CH2. Don't assume here is a CH3. ఒక హైడ్రోజన్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోయింది అనుకో, అప్పుడు ఏముంటాయి? CH2 excess. and again here is a one CH2 excess, and again here is a one more CH2 is a excess. Like this 6 carbon, 7 carbon, you can write many number of carbons. Okay, so similar to that you can write the same thing for the alkynes, haloalkanes, alcohols, alkanols, alkanones, alkanoic acids, amines. For every functional group you can write a homologous series. For the best example I am going to tell you for the alcohols, like ROH. Okay, so the simple one is a CH3OH, and next increase the one carbon CH3 CH2OH, and increase one more carbon CH3 CH2OH, and increase one more CH3 CH2OH. So these are all nothing but a homologous series, but each member now you can call it as a homologous. Homologous. Each member you call it as a homologous, but overall series you call it as a homologous series. Okay, so same thing you can also write for the aldehydes also, right? You can also write the aldehydes like RCHO, like CH3CH4, CH3 CH2CHO, CH3CH2, CH2CHO. Okay, like this you can write for any functional group, you can write the homologous series, right? Okay.